Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to stitch two-piece kurti. I have already shown how to measure and cut for a two-piece kurti. Today we will see how to stitch it. Please see the description box below. I have given the link for measurement and cutting of two-piece kurti. Here I have the front part. First let us stitch the neckline. For that I am taking this piece of cloth here. I am going to cut it according to this shape. I am going to mark it this way and later I will cut it. I will mark 2 inches from here. Now keep this piece onto this front part so that the right side of both the clothes come together. I will stitch it along this edge. After that I will flip it towards the inside and then stitch it again. For the back piece also I will cut a small piece and stitch same way. Okay, here we have got the neckline like this. Similarly, I will do for the back side also. Along the neckline, cut at few places. Cut it slightly. Cut it carefully so that the stitch won't get broken. So after stitching the neckline, here is the front piece. And here is the back piece. Now let me take these two pieces here. These are the pieces we use for the waist down. Now I am going to stitch these two parts together. Here I will give few pleats and then I will attach these two together. I will use few pins for ease of stitching. First I will pin these ends together. Then at the middle of both these pieces. Okay, now we can stitch this together near the edge. Next I am going to take both these pieces together and join near the shoulders. Now stitch along the sides. Okay, after that I am going to attach the sleeves. Okay, I have the sleeve here. At the bottom of the sleeve I have given this contrasting color strip, and also here is one small strip. I am going to put one button here and stitch it. How to make this sleeve, you can watch my previous video. I will give the link here in the description box. While stitching, make sure that the front part of the body matches with the front part of the sleeve. Okay, this sleeve comes to this side. So I'm going to attach it matching the front parts together. I'm going to start stitching from the middle here near the shoulder. Now we have to join the sides of this sleeve here along this way. Here at the bottom of the dress, I am going to fold it twice and put a stitch. If you want, you can stitch any lace. I am going to just stitch it like this. Okay friends, after completing it looks like this. Here you can see these pleats. At the bottom it looks like this. Here at the sleeves I will put a button and stitch it. Okay, now this dress is completed. This is how it looks like. Friends, I hope you liked this video and I hope you will try this at your home. Please let me know in the comment how was it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and comment to this video. Thank you so much for watching.